everybody, it's me Poppy again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Please subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. So the first slime I'm going to be telling you about is this one. It's a blue one and I made it in So Slime DIY. It reminds me of Cinderella with the blue and the silver, if you can see that on the camera. But because I've been putting it in different pots, it has got a mix of the other glitters a bit, which I think makes it look even more pretty. So this is my green one, which I also made in So Slime DIY. But I made this about 5 days ago, so it's not as stretchy or anything. But it's still a good slime. But I had to put it in a different container though, because I made other slimes too. And it's not too clicky, but it's still clicky. The next one's this pretty pink one. And I really like this one because I like the colour. And I think the glitter went well with it too, because I didn't really know how it was going to turn out with pink glitter, but I thought it went really well. This is the one I made in yesterday's video. Make sure you go and check yesterday's video out. And I made it and told you how to make slime in So Slime DIY. And I really like this one. It's definitely my favourite one. Please give that video a thumbs up as well. So this is Lab Goo, but this is not from So Slime DIY. I got it from Smith's Toys Superstore though, and it was £3. If you squeeze a container, you can get it out without ripping it. But I do have to say, it on camera looks a darker shade than it actually does in real life. It's purple. Grey in real life, but it actually looks black on camera. But I really love this slime. It's probably my favourite slime, although I didn't get to make it. It's like really stretchy and it's like a nice colour, but it goes a bit of a funny colour after you've had it for a while. It goes a bit of a grey colour. But on camera it looks black. It doesn't really remind me of anything. But I still like it, and you can make huge bubbles out of it. I'll try and get one now. But it's still quite sticky as well. It wasn't really that clicky either, but it's a nice thick slime. Also, please remember to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and please comment down below what you thought of the video and what video you would like me to do next. Bye!